In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see website traffic on Godaddy, and we've got just 5 minutes to get through it, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to GoDaddy's main website, which you can easily find by typing in GoDaddy on your preferred search engine. Once you're there, you'll see at the top of the page a section labeled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting and Online Marketing Tools. This area is key to managing all your web-based needs with GoDaddy, so go ahead and click on that to get started. Now you'll want to sign into your GoDaddy account. Up in the top right corner of the page, you should see a Sign In button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your GoDaddy account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, this is the perfect time to create one. Once you're signed in, you should find yourself on the GoDaddy homepage. This is like the control center for all your GoDaddy activities and is the starting point for accessing specific functionalities. From the homepage, look for the section that's labeled My Account. Usually it's in the main navigation bar. Click on My Account to proceed. This will direct you to a page where you can manage all your GoDaddy products. Once you're there, look for an option called Manage My Products. Clicking on this will show you all the domains and services you have under your account. With your products displayed, you'll see a Manage button next to each one. This is where you get into the specifics. Find the product you're interested in, typically your main domain or hosting plan, and click on Manage. Now you'll be taken to a more detailed management page. On this management page, look for the option labeled Dashboard. Clicking Dashboard will take you to an area specifically designed to give a detailed overview of your site's settings and performance. Here is where it gets interesting. Within the dashboard, there's an option that reads Site Visitors. This is the tab you've been aiming for. By clicking on Site Visitors, you'll be able to access a comprehensive overview of your website traffic. And that's it. You now have detailed insights into your website's visitors right from GoDaddy's intuitive interface. Remember, consistently checking your traffic not only aids in understanding your audience better, but also in strategizing ways to grow your online presence. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy analyzing and thanks for watching.